Happy Monday, everybody. We're going to do another coloring book page. I'm going to do this one called Caro-mingle. Trying to make it so that you don't have any glare. That's hard. All right, so we're going to make ourselves a grid. In that grid, we are going to draw little like Y's into the corner. And then from this side of the Y, we're going to swoop down like that into the middle, and then again the other way. So basically from that Y, see, we got a swoop here and a swoop there. That's an interesting way to make that shape. I like that. That's cool. Okay, and then inside each of these spots, we're going to do this shape. You can color it in. I'm not going to. And as long as I've got this shape coming all the way up to here, then that will encompass this line. I'm probably going to erase that line. I'll leave this one, but I think I'll erase this one so you guys can embellish how you want. If you want to put that line back in there, you can. Here is what it looks like as a background here, and in this ribbon there. So that's interesting. I like that. Okay, so light back on so I can see, so you can see. I've drawn myself a square. If I do, yeah, okay, so I need to go ahead and just draw this into quadrants. It is warming up. It was nice this morning, but it is now almost noon, so of course it has warmed up considerably since I came out here. I need to draw this one today, and then I need to draw one more for Thursday, and then I will be done with videos for the month of May, which is awesome because then I can take a little bit of a break. It is Holy Week this week in real time when I'm drawing this. So there is a lot to do this week. It's been very busy at work and very busy at church. That's how Holy Week works. Okay. So in each of these, we have this little Y shape, right? I'm going to go like this, and like this. It's not how I was doing this. See, this is why I do it in pencil. That Y shape only goes in this one corner, because this is not my thing. This is my thing. That's my square. So my Y needs to go here, like that, and then here, like that, here like this, and here like this. Yes. Oh, nope, not there. Not there, Dawn. That's not your corner. This is your corner. Sorry if you hear my fan. It has gotten warm in here. My fan turned on automatically. Okay. Can you see anything? Probably not. I want to thank you guys for sticking with me and for being here while I draw. I really appreciate it. Where's my pen? Where's my big pen? I've lost it. Well, there's a 7. 7 will work, but I thought I was drawing with a bigger one than that. Thought I had a 1.0. I do. Okay. Let's make our outer boxes. That will help you guys see what I'm doing. That. And then that. And like that. Okay, those are my quadrants. Now here's my Y. Okay, and then I draw. Come on. Then I draw this shape to the middle. I can do it on all 4 squares. Yes, I can. Oh, I didn't do this one. Turn. That way. That way. This way. This way. Turn. Like that. Turn again. Right? Now we want to go the other way. What is the easiest way to draw that shape? This way? Yeah, I think so. My hand curves easiest that direction, so that's the way I'm going to do it. This was a tricky one to figure out how to draw easily for the person who designed the pattern. That's cool. I like that. And then we put the along this line. We're going to put a thing like that. Definitely looks like a stained glass window to me, or you know, like a floor tile, but I see stained glass window. It's very cool. There we go. Very cool pattern. I just really enjoyed doing that. This is called Caro-mingle. Write it on the back with my pencil. Caromingle. Coloring book page number 21. We're going to view this on my channel on May 25th, 26. Alrighty. There you go, guys. I do like these. The nice thing about these coloring book pages is that I'm just doing the base. I'm doing it nice and big, and I'm just doing the base, so it doesn't take that long to draw. I would love to see you draw along with me when we're all finished with the coloring book and we do the launch and everything. I'm going to set up some hashtags, some places for you guys to share your pictures with me. So you can tag me. You'll be able to tag me on Instagram, drop it in our on my Draw Tangles with Dawn Facebook page. Can you do that on the page? I think you can. I think you can. I don't have a group, but I might make a Facebook coloring book group so that you can put them there. Yeah, probably will. Let's see, what else? I'm getting excited about this book. We're halfway there. We're halfway through the year. We are on page 20, 21, whatever it is. So we're like halfway through drawing these pages. I'm working on scanning them in. I'm working on putting quotes. So on this page, you will have a coloring page, and on the opposite page, the back side of the previous page, will be a quote and the name of this pattern and what date it shows up on my videos. So that's why I'm cautious to indicate that on the back of my paper, so that you guys can come back, watch me draw it if you want, and then once I'm finished with all of my drawings and all of my thing, I am going to have a playlist where once I get a physical copy of my coloring book, I'm going to come back in and I'm going to embellish my own drawings so that you have an idea of ways that you can embellish your drawings. And draw along with me some, and color and whatever. We're going to play together in our coloring book. And I really, really, really would like you guys to share with me, because that's the most exciting part. So hopefully you guys enjoy. And I will see you guys on the next video. Go out and do something nice for someone today. Make the world a better place. Oh, I did have a question, and maybe nobody will hear this because it's at the end of my video. I'll have to do that at the beginning of a video. Please do indicate if you would want a physical copy, digital copy, both. How would you like to obtain this coloring book? That is, yeah, I'd like to know. Do you guys have an opinion? I will see you guys on the next video. Bye-bye.